Hello everyone and welcome to the video of Marg ERP, in which today we will get to know that how you can easily generate your e-invoice by following few simple steps and can save your time. Firstly, we will see that how you can generate e-invoice while creating sale bill. And then we will tell you that how you can generate e-invoice after generating the sale bill. So now let us see its process, for which we have to do some settings in the control room. For that, we will go to control room. Then click on search in all field from here. Type e-invoice in search field and then click on accept tab. And set this field, that is e-invoice, Y on F4 key, A for ask and N for no option. On A means whenever you will generate invoice, then software will ask you that do you want to generate your e-invoice on the portal or not. Then after setting this field on A, press escape key twice and after saving the changes, go to home screen of the software. Now we will create one sale invoice and let's save it. Here we want to tell you that if you will fill proper details of your party or customer along with their PIN code while creating their ledger, then your invoice will be uploaded smoothly on the portal without any error. Otherwise, this kind of window will be shown to you at the time of uploading e-invoice and the fields are mandatory to fill, where asterisk key is shown. You will fill these given fields as per your requirement. Then this alert window of generate e-invoice will open. Click on yes. As you will click on yes, your invoice will be generated on the e-invoice portal and a message of e-invoice successfully uploaded will be shown on the screen along with acknowledgement number and acknowledgement date. Click on OK. Now if you want to take the printout of your uploaded e-invoice, then click yes to this wish to print e-invoice window and take the printout according to the printer port settings of the software. And if you want to know the process of how you can print the IRN number on the e-invoice, so for that you will click on the video link which is given in the description box. And the same process will be followed to upload the invoice of export or credit note on the portal. So this was that how you can generate your e-invoice at the time of billing. Now suppose if you were not able to generate your e-invoice at the time of billing, so let us see in this case how you can easily generate the e-invoice. For which you will press Alt M key on the home screen and by pressing enter key on this modify window, we will come to this sales book window. Now press F4 key on that invoice to which you want to upload on e-invoice portal. Then click on e-invoice generation from this window. So this window of e-invoice generation will open. You can modify and save the details of seller, buyer, dispatch and shipment, due to which software won't ask you these details next time. So after modifying and saving the details, we will click on generate e-invoice from here and upload your invoice. So friends, in this way you can follow any of the process from both and easily upload your e-invoice on the portal. Now at the end of this video, we would like to tell you that like in the modern era, digital order and collection is becoming a necessity of every business. So through the Marg business apps, you will be able to take orders from anywhere, anytime in 24 hours from those retailers who are already giving online orders through e-retail. Similarly, we have launched Marg Pay to get rid of all problems of your collection, which will upload bill by bill payment in Marg ERP and it will give you relief from the hassle of reconcile. It is very easy to register in Marg Pay and e-business. You can register them in 3 simple steps. To know them in detail, we have provided video links in the description box. You can do registration in Marg Pay and e-business by clicking on it. Thanks for watching. Marg ERP, हर कदम आपके साथ.